Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to prove the quadratic formula. For this, first of all, I would like to write the general form of quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. We are proving quadratic formula by method of completing square. Since, first of all, I would like to divide each term by this coefficient of x squared, that is a. Since dividing this by a, we have to divide each term by a, since here will be x squared plus here will be b divided by a x plus c divided by a, which further is equal to 0. The next step we have to do that we have to push this constant term to the right hand side, since this will be x squared plus b divided by a x is equal to c divided by a, but here the sign will be minus. Next, the coefficient of x is b divided by a. Since dividing this by 2, since we will have 2 in the division, and we have to add the square of this term on both sides, since we will have x squared plus b divided by a times x plus b divided by 2a whole squared, while on the right hand side b divided by 2a whole squared minus c divided by a. Since on the left hand side we have a formula, that is x plus b divided by 2a whole squared, while on the right hand side applying this square on b we'll have b squared, and applying squared on 2, this will be 4a squared minus c divided by a. Since we will have x plus b divided by 2a whole squared on the left hand side, while on the right hand side we will have b squared divided by 4a squared minus, this becomes 4ac divided by, in the denominator we will have 4a squared. On the left hand side we will have x plus b divided by 2a whole squared, while on the right hand side taking this denominator common, that is 4a squared, and adding the numerator we will have b squared minus 4ac. Since taking square root on both hand side, this becomes x plus b divided by 2a whole squared square root, while on the right hand side we'll have b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a square root. This square and square root will cancel with each other. We will have x plus b divided by 2a on the left hand side, while applying this square root on numerator and denominator we will have b squared minus 4ac square root divided by, and this square root is whenever applied to 4 will gives 2, and whenever we apply it on a squared will give a. Since the square root has been applied, we will have plus minus on the right hand side. Now pushing this b divided by 2a on the right hand side, since we will have x is equal to b divided by, since minus b divided by 2a plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, and here is the square root as well. as the denominator in these both terms are equal, since we'll take it common 2a, and the numerator, we'll add the numerator as minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. And that is the proof of quadratic formula. If you still haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel.